you ever looked at your website and saw that with your own custom domain, it says not secure? That's not a good thing. Now click on it. This is what your potential customers are going to see, and very well may scare them away from the website. Now, what's important to understand is that the Deco sites checkout, they're all secure, but the domain is not going to change into a secure domain with the shopping cart until your customer gets to that point. So when they come to your website, they're first going to see this and might click on this not secure and be scared away before they even get to that process because they're not going to understand that. So how do we solve that? Well, here's the good news. It's really easy and free with DecoNetwork. Now, you can go purchase a certificate. It's called an SSL certificate. However, you don't need to do that, and you can set this up right after watching this video. So switch over to your admin area and go to websites. Find the site you're going to manage. Then go to domain settings. Okay, now, here we've got the shirtdecorator.com. And what do we do to add security? It's really simple. You basically just click on SSL. And that's where you would do a custom certificate, but we're just going to use the free one. And then just save it. Now, it's going to take, like it says here, about 10 minutes. But you can click back to domain settings just to see it's going to have the 3 orange dots there. That means everything's underway. It's not having any problems with it. So now you just wait it out. So after we've waited, say 10 minutes or so, let's just refresh here. Hey, we got the nice blue check mark for the SSL security. So we should be all set. Actually, I already refreshed this. Now you'll see it just says HTTPS. That's your secure connection. That site's all ready to go. Now, I'm going to give you a quick bonus tip. If you are using a custom domain, don't delete your old Deco one necessarily, particularly if you're using it for just a little while. And you might have another version that's got the World Wide Web 3 letters in front and so forth. Make sure that at the bottom you hit redirect to primary, okay? Because if you don't, you're basically going to have multiple sites in the view of search engines like Google. And what does that do? That means no matter what someone types in, as long as it's one of your viable domains. So I'll give you an example. If I go into Shirt Decorator, my custom domain, remember my primary is still set to my old Deco one. It's going to redirect it to the other one. So then Google just sees it as one, for instance. Now, obviously, I have that backwards. You would make this your primary. Yeah, and then anything would go to your custom domain. So hope that helps. Happy Deco networking, and have a great day.